Boame kakra, meaning say this season, a chassis, you know, over at the back with the Kotoko pra. Meaning one doctors in a dink town. Then, because we are there, Ubibi pra, or babbles the next 2 weeks off. Now, Asanko. Now we have babbles and say, you know, typical example, justice in Kuku play. That is his own prayer crab, 4 times. Then, because as the plan of Dosso, Kotoko Campo.
I kind of say, in this situation, a doors were Ghana Premier League power.
Yes.
But maybe Asante Kotoko now because our players are very popular, no. Intina any bound them. Because then our season has really been hampered with injuries. Your starting season, your first game, official game against Kotoko, Isaac Opon stepped out and did well. Yeshomo Hoyaba, unfortunately, Freeman. Osan Pry.
SOMPA Sports.
Asante Pry. This also Pry. Rashid Note has been injured. Almost every single player of Asante Kotoko this season has faced an injury or two. Several factors. One thing I've seen is sometimes the quality of the pitches are impossible.
I'm
telling you, these are. Let's be frank with ourselves. These are injury-prone pitches.
Pitches in impossible.
Yes, because ideally, no, the pitches. I say water so before saying the ball. Some of the pitches are very hard. Now so cry. Now let's look with Kabi or a wax sports stadium. See the pitches. Some of the pitches, for example, you're running away screen. You see, it's so unfortunate. And let me tell you one thing. So, in order to prevent pitches, to prevent these injuries, there are certain things that your medical team, your friend, not taping.
Okay.
I will tape the far boys, ankle near the just to prevent even so be in injury. I won't say they are found. You have ball out to the player. Those tapes are very expensive, and I can tell you, say Asante Kotoko, almost every match we spend about 5,000 cedis on taping.
5,000 cedis.
5,000 Ghana cedis on taping our players.
That can is got 50 million.
50 million.
Taping no.
On taping.
Hey.
And just to make sure that we are able to avoid injuries. Yes, that's how much we spend on taping. And maybe this Kotoko, we can consult other football clubs, they will tell you because of some of these things. Because over injuries now, boys in Ghana. And sometimes to the tackles, Neko players too. So and I be unfortunate. Tackle beat me call referee and Jeffa on show card, nothing. Like last season, Yane Adriana, Ewo Doma, Sam Adams, very bad tackle on Stephen Amankona. Nothing, no card. Maybe I on show. Later in the week, Amankona was injured. This season, Yane Shatreman, Ewo Shatre. A player of Shatreman Gina and Morris and Naso.
Yeah,
I believe you have
original
and also nothing. And Morrison had to be out for about 2 weeks. It's hard drink, and to be frank, injuries has really worried us. One thing this season because I want to say we signed more players than all our previous seasons. This season starting now about 35 players. And this will be prayer, no be a samba bishop. And video we others yambo cycles with this gym equipment. Now I'm recovery process now. I very, very, very early. For example, Rashid Note is training now because of some of these training I will go through. So the massive to help the recovery rate. But injuries there, sometimes you cannot pinpoint because Manchester United one of injury situations although they have all the necessary equipment and the rest. So I think we should try and better our game, try and avoid some of these things.
There's an update in it saying guys will be ready for weekend.
Mukwala will be ready for this weekend.
Okay.
That's for sure. We'll try against the Chelsea, but the technical team took a precautionary decision. So in every time, so he's back. Listen of Wakwa is back. Mubarak has been training with the team for some time now. Rashid Notafino has started training team. Ome Moditano for the rest of the training session to see whether he's fit enough to fit in the team. Justice Blay is still in the medical room. I treating on Nyamba felt no so cry. Until obviously this week. We are expecting Medoros the Sousa also this week, but he's been in the gym and they are saying his progress is doing very, very well. And also he's one very disciplined player. Very professional, very, very professional. We are hoping he will recover. Say player very professional, they recover very early in training, very early with injuries. Mikai says Thomas Sheriff Mohammed Milford and the injury was very serious, but because of how professional he is, he was able to cover ahead of time too. We are expecting these players in our next match, hopefully against Olympics.
SOMPA Sports.